Hello, Google Sheets Lesson 4. You collect a random sample of the number of children per household in a region. The results are shown below. Find the sample mean and the sample standard deviation of the data set. The number of children in 50 households are given, and we are going to start our data. I'm just going to put it over to the right. But instead of putting in 50 data values, the lowest number I see is 0, and the highest number I see is 6. So what I'm going to do is keep track of these values and figure out, well, what is each frequency? So notice lowercase f, I'm going to count and put up the number of frequency for each value. After resizing and bolding my titles, I'm now going to go through and count how many households have no children, have 1 children, and so on. Now that I have all the frequencies in, let's find the total. And because I want the total number of frequency, and these should add up to be 50, let's check it. So equals sum of, click and drag, if it doesn't automatically pop up, and hit enter, and I do get 50. So that means they are all accounted for. We need to find the sample mean of this data set. In order to do that, I'm going to have to realize that 0 has a weight of 10. Data column times the F column. Times in Google Sheets is Shift 8. That's how we make that. Bold it. And now I'm going to do the formula equals this column, Shift 8 times this column, or this cell. This cell times this cell. Hit enter. So this gives it a weight of 0 being there 10 times. I want this formula to take 1 times 19 and then 2 times 7 and 3. So we're going to click and drag. And now, 1 times 19 is 19. 2 times 7 is 14, and so on. And if I click on this cell, I see that formula there. All right. After we get the sum of just all the zeros, all the ones, all the twos, I want the total of this column. So equals sum. If I were to add up all of these data values over here together, all those 50 numbers, they would all add up to be 91. So to find the sample mean, so I'm going to put equals, nope, I don't want these suggestions. I'm going to hit equals 91, or this cell divided by this cell. The sum of the data values divided by the number of data values. The majority is between 1 or 2 children. Okay, so after we found the sample mean, now let's find the sample standard deviation in this set. Let's recall everything that it takes to deal with sample standard deviation. We need to first find deviation. So that's going to take all the x values minus the mean. So I'm going to say x bar. The x cell minus the x bar cell, or the mean value. However, what we need to recognize is if I click and drag this formula down, this cell does not get locked in. So these cells will move down, which is what I want. This cell does not get locked in unless I put in $signs to lock it in for the column in the row. Once I hit enter, now I can click and drag all the way down, getting the deviations of all these data values from the mean. Now I'm going to take the square of that value. Let's take this cell and square it. Drag that formula all the way down. Variance takes the sum of these values divided by the number of values. That's variance. Since I'm still in this total row, I'm going to hit sum or equal sum. It gives me the suggestion. I'm going to take it, hit enter. So now so variance is going to equal this value divided by the number of values. It's going to be the square root, SQRT, the square root of this value. This means the mean value plus or minus this value, the majority of households within this region. If I look at another household, it looks like they're probably either going to have between I'm going to round up here, 1 and 3 children. Thanks.